It is important that you trade on the regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out. In today's strategy, I have single indicators that you will use to trade this particular strategy profitably on a daily basis. With this particular strategy, you do not need to sit on your laptop. You only need like 10 to 15 minutes to set up this particular strategy and get out for the day. If you do not have time to trade, this is the best strategy that you can use on a daily basis without any serious analysis. Just make sure you follow me closely as I explain how to use this profitably. This is London breakout strategy, and you can use this to trade any breakout. But for this particular video, I'm going to focus on the London breakout strategy from the Asian market. I have this particular indicator, the London breakout indicator, and the indicator will automatically draw this line for us, all the color you see on the chart, where to buy, the zone and the sell zone, and it's going to give us our take profit, where to buy, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and our stop loss. So I'm going to show you how to set up this particular indicator. This is simple and anyone can use it. It is very simple and it is consistent. So I'll go back a bit. Let us see the setting for the last 10 days and see if this strategy actually delivered on a regulated forex brokers. Now this is the first trade. Let's start from today's trade. We have the buy zone here. It gave us where to buy, and it did give us where to sell. That was to sell at this particular zone or buy at this particular point. If it breaks down, we should sell, and if it breaks above this line, we should buy. This is a good strategy that you can use profitably. And for this, we do not have any breakout today for this particular pairs. This is Euro Japanese Yen, and if you set either your buy stop or your sell stop, it's not going to trigger at all. So you will have not take any trades today. And the previous day, we have signal generated for us. We have a break where we should enter our trade at this particular point, and this did deliver. The previous day 2, day 3, we have a breakout here where we need to buy, and this did deliver also. If you go back to day 4, this deliver again. Day 5, it did deliver. It didn't hit our stop loss. We didn't buy at that particular point, at this particular zone here. Here we sold at this particular point, and your stop loss will be few pips above here, and this did deliver. This also deliver, just small pips here. This is how we use this particular strategy. It's going to give you where you need to buy and where you need to sell. Now let's check the last 10 days for this particular pairs. This is Euro Japanese Yen. For day 1 here, this is day 1. We have the point at which we need to place our buy stop, and this is where we need to place our sell stop, because this is set and forget strategy. You don't need to sit with this particular strategy. Once you enter your trade, just go out to do what you need to do. It's one trade per day for every pair you want to trade. So for this particular day, there is no breakout, so we are not going to take any trade. Or if you set your buy stop and sell stop, it's not going to trigger few hours before the New York opening, or like 1 or 2 hours later. Just make sure you delete any pending order that did not trigger. If sell stop trigger, then delete the pending order for buy stop, and vice versa. So let's check day 2. So this did not trigger, this is 0. Then the previous day, this did delivered. We have this, the third day backward, this delivered. This first, second day, third day, fourth day. The fourth day here did deliver. At least to have taken out our take profit 1, and this did deliver. The 5th day, this did not give us enough profit and it didn't hit our stop loss. So either we call this one break even, this will have taken our take profit 1, this, and here again this will have triggered our buy order at this particular point. This week, this candle week will have triggered our buy stop. So this is a loss. We are going to lose this one. Here this one did deliver again. So out of the one we've checked right now, we've lost 1. This deliver again, this deliver again. So this is 10 day. We have 10 day, we lost 1 break even. So this is like 8/10, 80% success rate for this particular strategy, for this particular indicator. It is simple and anyone can use this particular trade. Just make sure once you enter a trade and sell stop trigger, then delete the buy stop that you have. If buy stop trigger, delete the sell stop that you have at this particular point. So this is how to use this. So let us check this particular strategy on gold and see if this deliver well. Now here's this on gold. So you can use either 15 minutes, 5 minutes, any time frame you want to use. It's still the same setup. Either you check it on 5 minutes, it's still the same setup. On 1 hour, it's still the same setup. So let's check this on gold. For today, we have a breakout here where to buy at this tick line. This did take out all our take profits at this particular point. The previous day we have where to buy. This did deliver, it didn't hit our stop loss. The previous day we do not have any signal to trade, and here we have a sell signal. Here it did deliver. Buy signal did deliver. So out of this 10 trade, we have like 8 that did deliver. So this is 8/10. This is 80% profit. Now, how do you take this particular trade? It is simple. You don't need to wait for this signal to trigger, or you wait to buy at this particular zone. For instance, today we have this already London box already, this buy zone to buy at this particular point. What you need to do, you just need to place a buy stop and put the take profit 1. Always target either take profit 1 or 2. Then for sell, do the same thing for sell. Use a sell stop, and at this particular point take profit 1 or you use take profit 2. Then you can close your system, your laptop, and go about your business for the day without you watching the trade or analyzing anything. It is simple as that. So let me show you how to place either a buy stop or a sell stop. Just go to order here, new order, and order this market execution. Just enter pending order. So we are going to use a buy stop for this and enter this particular value here. This value we have here for today is 2702.36. Then the take profit, you enter it here, but it's not going to work because the market is above that level already. But make sure you just enter, let's use take profit 2 or you use take profit 1, and let's use take profit 1, which is 30 pips. This is 2705.36. Then your stop loss, you enter your stop loss here too, and the stop loss we have here on the chart. This is the stop loss here for buy. So we enter the same as stop loss there. This is 2699.36 for our stop loss there. Then you click place order at this particular point. Just click on place. This is invalid stop loss or take profit because the market is above that level already, so it's not going to work. For sell limit too, you do the same thing. You use the same thing, enter the same value here. For sell setup, you enter the same value that we have here. So this is how to use this particular strategy on MetaTrader 4. So let me show you the setting for this particular indicator. Just make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. So in my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out. We have a lot of best forex brokers outside there. Just open a demo account and try this particular strategy on any of the regulated forex brokers. Try out this particular strategy on demo forex account. Do not go live until you have tested this and you are profitable using this particular strategy on a daily basis. When you see your account growing on a daily basis, then you can go ahead to start trading on live forex account that you've opened with the regulated forex brokers. So this is the setting for this particular strategy. The margin is 8. I use a 300 pips, which is 30 pips. For take profit 1, you can enter it yourself. You can decide how many take profit you want. So because this is good, that was why I use 30. Then take profit 2 is 60, take profit 3 is 100, and I use stop loss 30 pips. Then auto stop loss is going to do that. Since you've entered the value, when you turn it to true, it's going to enter it for you once you place your trade. So this is the section. If you want to draw this particular box for Asia section, you use 1. If you want it for London, you use 2, and for New York opening, you use 3. So this is 2 for London section. So make sure you set this GMT either offset, depends on your location. So every other thing you can leave it the way it is, or you use my template. There's no need of including my template. Just make sure you watch this video and download the indicator. So these are the values for this particular indicators. So this is all I have for today. Just make sure you watch it and practice this particular strategy on any forex pairs or on gold. Just try it out and see which of the pairs give you better result, then stick to that pairs. There's no need of trading all the pairs. Make sure you follow money management. No strategy is 100% accurate. This is a good strategy and you can use this profitably. So you can check the pairs and check them out, which one deliver well for you, then stick to it. This is a Euro Australia dollar. The download links to this particular indicator is in my video description. Make sure you download it. It is free, and set it up accordingly. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader Joe, and bye for now.